Today I'm reflecting on a post I recorded a couple of weeks ago about introductions and connections. And for me personally, there are probably, without doubt, a handful of people whom, if they introduced somebody to me, I would without a doubt follow up on that introduction, because I know that they are attentive and listen to what people do and think, and can normally see a reason for connection. For me, one of those people is Anna Wilkinson, and this morning I had an initial chat, which sadly only lasted 7 minutes, with someone that she introduced me to a few weeks ago, but we've already agreed a follow-up conversation next week. And yeah, I just wonder if you have people that you innately trust that will make valuable introductions that may not go anywhere immediately, but you know it's worth following up on that introduction. Let us know. Drop us a note in the comments below.